Alright, you see a partially taken apart Westinghouse, old Westinghouse dehumidifier here. Let's see what's inside. Alright, with the cover off, you can see all the goodies inside. If you haven't guessed by now, me and Matt are going to have a little destructive fun with this. But before we have any fun with it, we need to get the refrigerant out of here by recovering it. So let's do that now. Alright, this has R22 refrigerant, so we're just going to go right on the process stub here. There we go. Okay, with the refrigerant out, let's put an access valve on here. I love that refrigerant oil. Alright, gonna put a little Schrader valve in here, leaving it nice and long there. Alright, let's start having some fun with it. Let's turn this on. It's very humid out today, so I don't think it's going to take much for this. There it goes.
It's not going to take long.
Yeah, right now there's no refrigerant in it.
It's leaking?
Nope. It's just nothing for it to pump. But we need to get that cover off. Oh, by the way, let's see if this works. There we go, got a little light there to tell us the bin's full. I have it wired backwards because I don't have the bin. And
you broke it.
Yep, that compressor is starting to get high pressure, so gotta let it sit for a little bit. I shouldn't have did that. Well, you gonna do the honorary first whack?
Is that the fan?
You know what? That fan was stuck. Probably from the shroud being kind of out of line. You fixed it, Matt. See?
Oh! What was that? Did you hear that?
Matt, you could be in the appliance repair business.
It went woof. Yeah. There's fire.
You could be in the appliance repair business.
I just need a hammer.
Yeah.
Met the handyman.
Yeah. I didn't even notice the fan wasn't working. Oh.
That's what it was.
Yeah. Wait, do you want me to...
I need a bigger fix-it tool. Give me that. You get the little one.
Don't want it too loud.
Get the funnel. Get the funnel. That's all you need to do. Don't make too much of a mess, dude. Hey, pick it up. Pick it up.
Hold on.
No, you gotta put it over around. You're hitting my toolbox. Where's the fan?
It's in the way, very back. We're just trying to get to the compressor.
Rip it off. Grab it and rip it. Like I said. Meanwhile, you don't need to break that anymore.
Look, there's the light.
Hey! No, there's not.
No, it's still there.
Not for long.
Alright, let's torture this compressor.
Oh, of course the neighbor's dog's out.
Yeah, we're going to end up upsetting them. And we got the little access valve here. Make sure this
is going to be really loud.
No.
He says no, I call bullshit.
Put this end on here. Let's just be mean to this compressor here. We got a bucket full of soapy water here.
Oh God, it's gonna make a mess. Okay. You could have put the hose back on, it would have done the same thing. So take it off. Stop. Put the hose back on.
Oh. Alright, we gotta get rid of that evaporator.
That thing, the big coil?
Yep.
I got it.
You got it?
Is that where all the liquid went?
That and the condenser. It's in the bottom of that compressor there.
Give me that.
You need that now? Matt, you're going to create a leak.
I think I'm going to fix it.
Oh,
I got to get this off somehow. This is how we work.
hey, take stuff apart. There you go. Oh, now you can uncoil it.
Yep, that was the plan.
Can you pull it out
Maybe.
there like a slinky?
I'm trying.
Ooh, it doesn't like that. Should we just cut it?
Grab the middle a little more. There's two sides.
Yeah, it's got two.
Is that got heater?
Nope, that's the condenser.
The thing back here.
That's a condenser.
Oh. It's like a heating element.
We need to get
I
it.
smell the soap now.
It's called soap. There we go.
No more.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, hey.
There you go. Now you got some noise to deal with.
Not anymore.
Oh, the compressor's still running.
I know, I'm leaving it.
That's going to still run though.
It won't for long.
This thing's loud.
No, I don't want it.
All right, Matt's going to open it up. You plugged that in.
Yeah, I did. I didn't tell you.
Yeah. Now it's a tractor. Matt's on the tractor. Do that again. There you go. Farmer Matt. Aw.
Help me out.
What? I need this here?
I think I broke the fan.
At least you stopped it.
Just don't hit this wire. That's a good wire. No, hit the other corner.
This corner? Or this corner?
That corner.
Okay.
Hit it like you got there. There you go. That's better.
Look at the wheel.
I know. Rick, you're good on that spot. Hit that one. Hold on, I got it.
Oh.
Still plugged in.
Yep. Get a little bit of a loose tap here.
Okay, stop. That one's off. For once, it ain't me. Hey, that one's out.
Oh, you're humming.
Not for long.
The compressor's
I
actually...
wouldn't move her head.
Well, the compressor keeps going out on overload, but we can fix that.
Did you stop?
Can I make it harder for you? Oh, yeah. That fan is, look at the fan motor. Look at it. It's heavy duty.
Is it plastic or not anymore?
Metal. That's metal.
I think if I popped.
Well, you just gotta...
Should be off.
Oh! Wow. Oh!
I'm trying to bend this so I can hold it. There we go. That's what I wanted.
This is not made like those cheap plastic ones you can buy at Lowe's.
I smell suds.
Oh, that's the
Make
adjustments to that. Oh, 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 oh. Oh.
That smoke?
No, it's refrigerant oil.
No,
Looks like
smoke. You can see where I started to cut. Should be off now. Here. I don't need your hand, I need the tool.
Look at the wheel. Self-propelled.
God, it stinks. Making a mess. Don't hit the camera.
Aww.
You broke it. I was gonna say leave it, but it's only got one screw in it. Don't hit my ceiling, please. Or rip my seat. Put it down.
Both frames is disconnected.
It ain't 100%. I think we're good. Get it further back. On the
Damn, Westinghouse.
old school.
Old school, for sure.
Built like a shit house. Brick shit house. It's not working. You're just making noise.
There's the condenser. There we go.
Exactly. It's just gonna
High
do what the
pressure.
other one's doing. Like a pressure's not running.
Yeah, it is. It's
Is
quiet.
it that quiet?
Yep.
Is there copper in there or is it all aluminum?
I'd have to look. I think it's copper coil, but aluminum fins on it. I think I just kinked through the discharge line, Matt.
Good job. Now flip that over. That'll probably work.
Okay, here we go.
Remember, it's plugged in.
Oh yeah.
You gotta turn the handle. Don't hit my ceiling. It stopped. It's still got power.
Mm-hmm.
Give it a second. It just popped.
Did I stall it, Matt?
I think you stalled it because it's still got power.
It does. Well, you know what's causing that?
What's that? Wires is your spark.
You see it spark yet?
It's going to.
I think this might be the problem, Matt.
What's that?
Overload.
What about it?
It's broke.
Oh.
Well, who said anything about needing an overload? That's why you just do the little bypass.
That means I gotta plug it back in.
Yeah, it does.
Damn you.
But don't plug it in yet, please.
Too late. I'm kidding. I'm not that fast. You know that. Got it?
Not yet.
Hurry up.
The prong's bent.
It's not my problem. Sounds like a personal problem.
No, it's not my personal prong. Oh, there's a neutral that came loose too. Maybe that's why the fan doesn't work.
Well, it's not gonna work anymore anyway.
Alright, I'm dripping sweat in here. Getting about tired of it, so
I'll
see
do
if this
the
compressor
honors.
runs now.
Don't pop on it. Don't pop on it. Oh, there's oil everywhere.
Yeah.
Wipe that off.
Like with what?
Like your shirt. I don't care.
Do like Bob Ross does when he cleans the brush. Have you seen that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just beat the devil out of it.
Well, it's not doing nothing.
Not doing nothing.
Nope.
Is it?
It's plugged in. It's got power.
You got the power there.
I can see the lights on. I think you just broke the compressor. It jammed.
I jammed it up. Oh. Oh, the fan motor's burning up.
I don't see it.
Do you smoke?
Oh, now I do. Something else clicked. Something's clicking.
Might have an.
Hear it? Just lightly. Do a little more this way. Oh!
I shorted it. It probably got your. So we burnt up the
Yeah.
fan motor. We burnt up the compressor. And so now.
Why do you have to make a mess? Every damn time. It's pulling your leg.
That's about as far as it's gonna go on.
Yeah, and break your tripod. I think you broke it.
Now you got a bunch of aluminum.
Thank you.
And plastic, and copper. A lot of copper, a little bit of copper in that compressor. And an old humidistat.